Hello my loves, I hope you're okay. So quickly, I just wanted to say that it is the Midlands Beauty Awards, and if you want to vote for me for being Nail Technician of the Year, I will leave the link below for you and all the details that you need. So yeah, if you think I'm worthy, then give me a vote. So we finally have a short set of nails. See, I can do short nails too. So I have come in, I've prepped my lady's nails, and I've applied my CJP pre-pinched almond tips. Then I've cut those down to length and shaped them. Added a clear base, so we've got something to file back to. And then I'm just coming in here. She wanted Mermaid, so I'm coming in here with, this is the Superfine Mint from the Glitter Fairy. And then on top of that, this one's called Ariel, and it's from Glitter Goddess Nail Supplies. And it's just like a holographic. There's some chunky bits and then some super fine bits in there. And then this one is, oh my goodness, this one's from Glitter Goddess as well. It's like an iridescent, but I don't know the name of it. I'll have to look it up and I'll pop it in the description box once I know what it is. It's because I repotted them all and I didn't label them, so some of them I don't know the name of. Now I know these aren't short, but I have got some short ones coming up as well. So this is Blueberry Glow from CJP. So I've just placed that on at the free edge, and then I'm blending that back because I'm going to ombre it with CJP Mermaid. So just pop that on, and I'm just tucking it in down there at the cuticle, and then I'm blending it up. Bead could have been a little bit wetter, to be honest, but as it's still really humid today, everything's setting up super fast still, but the skies have gone grey. So I'm hoping that the storm they've promised is on its way. Didn't even mean to make a rhyme then, but I did. Right, so this is a small bead of Birthday Suit, and I've placed the bead on. I've feathered the sides down, and then I've blended it into that natural nail plate. Now I'm just shaping this with the sides of my brush, just sweeping and patting. Took me ages to do that bit. I was really faffing with this one. Like the other one just went straight on, but this one I was like, don't like it. So yeah, placing the next bead on and then blending it back into the cuticle, and then feathering just the front of that bead forward so that the majority of the product stays back in that apex area. Now we obviously don't need a massive apex on this nail because it's not super long, but we still want to give them those sexy curves. So I'm just going to do a bit of a swooshy swirly nail on this one. This colour is CJP Bright Violet. That's the Mermaid. Blueberry Glow, and then Sea Foam, which is one of the newer ones. Now Blueberry Glow and Bright Violet are design powders, so I'll use them super thin and super wet, almost like paint, so I can put them where I want them and just paint them on. The other two actually are strength powders, but I'll use them thin anyway because I'm going to come in and cap the nail because of the powders that aren't strength, and I want to protect that design as well. And then I'm just going to come in with those glitters again. This one's Ariel, and just dot them about. Excuse me if my kids run in screaming. It's the last day of term today. They've just broke up for the summer and they are buzzing. So yeah, if they come in, they're just they're a wee bit happy today. Look how cute that looks. Aww. So just coming in at the cuticle area with Mermaid. And whenever I'm adding glitters and things, I always work super thin, because obviously we've got the really clean, really clear layer to begin with. Then we've got the colour, and then we've got the couple of glitters. So yeah, just keep working thin, and then you won't end up with a bulky nail, because obviously then we've got to cap that nail as well. And the iridescent over the top of that holographic, when it catches the light, it just looks literally, yeah, it's gorgeous. Really nice. So I'm just going to come in and cap these nails, and then I will file my smile line in. See how beautiful CJP is. It just glides. It's just lovely. And using my size 10 Glitter Planet Aqua brush. Oh, please rain. If you're in the UK, you'll know what I'm saying, but if you're not, it's been hot. We're suffering now big time. All the grass is so dry, it's all yellow, everything just looks thirsty. We're not very well accustomed to weather extremes. Snow, rain, sun, yeah, the lot. We always have problems. So I'm just coming in here with a new 180 grit file. Just going to sharpen off those edges. And try and get it to match the other one best I can. Do you know, that's what I struggle with the most with smile lines, is making sure every single one is even. That's why you'll barely see me do a full set of smile lines, because I have a breakdown about getting them all exactly the same. But when I do them, I'm like, it's scary. So I've picked up Mermaid, and on the same bead I've dipped into sea foam, and I've just placed them on the nail together, and then I'm just walking it down the side of that nail there. And then I'm going to do the same again in a second. So pick up a small bead of Mermaid and dip into sea foam, and you sort of get that marbled effect when you file through, which is really nice. So pat in until that's starting to set, and faff in, and like I do, you know, I like a good faff. Right, so I filed and shaped and buffed the nails. And then this stamping plate is from Beauty Big Bang, and then I'm using my clear jelly stamper. And I completely forgot to even try and get it in shot, so sorry. So I'm just adding that on one hand, and then I'm adding the scales on the pinky on the hand that we just done. And then the stamping polish I'm using is by CJS, the clear jelly stamper as well. So I'll leave the link to where I get all those bits from. These polishes are literally so pigmented, they're brilliant. And then I'm just going to add a couple of crystals. These are just the from the multi-pack of CJP crystals. Actually, I think I know what that glitter's called now. I think it's called Chinese lantern. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's what it is. So I'm just going to top coat these now. I did miss applying the cuticle oil. Sorry, I was too busy talking. So here I am with my tack-free top gloss as usual. Oh, I just love those two colours together. So pretty. So yeah, just going to top coat these, then I'll leave a shot at the end for you of the finished design. And yeah, thank you so much for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. Also, yeah, little nudge, if you think I'm worthy, then please vote for me for Nail Technician of the Year. Thank you so much, my loves. I love you all, and I will see you all soon. Bye.